Hello, I'm Danish Valiani, and here we're at Reedy Creek, and I'm going to give you guys a brief intro to the grasses. First on the list is gamma grass. Gamma grass is also called bullgrass, and it is found across the eastern half of the United States in moist soils, typically with full sun, open meadows, and other areas of the such. It has commercial uses including livestock forage and being replanted in restoration sites. It can grow up to 8 feet in height, and the leaves go about 3/4 to a full inch across.
Amazing.
What you see here is wild oats. This is our second grass. Wild oats is a roadside weed or weed found in farmlands and other crop areas. It has hollow stems with 2 to 3 dangling spikelets, a key characteristic of the wild oats. The wild oats are considered a very problematic grass, as when they are found in farmlands, they diminish crop yield and compete with resources to harbor disease and other parasites. Oh, here's our next plant. This is gray sedge. Gray sedge is a perennial sedge that grows in rich, moist soils of forests and wet meadows. It can be up to 3 feet long. It is a unisex grass, and it has a female spiky flowering ball at the top, a very key identifying characteristic. Gray sedge is commonly found with silver maples, green ashes, and wood nettle. Oh, here is our next plant. This is Johnson grass. It is a perennial with an open flowering head, thick, wide, jagged leaves, and a whitish midrib. Johnson grass produces cream-colored rhizomes that, under frost conditions, can be toxic to many livestock. It also yields production of corn, cotton, and soybean plants. Johnson grass is called Johnson grass because it grows to such a height, up to 8 feet, that it'll cover your Johnson if you have to pee. What you have here is Virginia wild rye. Virginia wild rye is a native, cool season perennial bunch grass, typically found all throughout the state and up and down the East Coast. Virginia wild rye is silvery blue in appearance and has leaves that can grow up to a foot in length. Its commercial uses include, because it is palatable, it's nutritious for livestock, and when it's mixed with warm season grasses, Virginia wild rye has been used for restoration on golf courses. Our next plant is Italian ryegrass. Italian ryegrass is an annual grass that can grow anywhere from 2 to 3 feet in length. It has a habitat that includes dark, rich, moist soils. It is not drought tolerant and definitely not heat tolerant. Italian ryegrass has an open flower, almost nearly naked, and a stiff, narrow leaf at its base. The underside of the leaves are bright and smooth. Commercial uses of the Italian ryegrass include quick cover in erosion control planting. Next on our list is slender rush. Slender rush is also called path rush or poverty rush. It has leaves that are shorter than the entire stem length and a separated seed head with spiky flowers. Slender rush has tufted round stems, and it is a perennial grass found on roadsides, compacted soils, home lawns, and shady areas. It fruits in the summer. Last on the list is pendulous sedge. Pendulous sedge is a tall, spreading, fast-growing perennial that can grow up to 2 meters in length. It's found in Northwest Africa, parts of the Middle East. However, it's native to the United Kingdom and Western Europe. It is a popular plant among gardeners because of its distinctive appearance, which is often used for decorative properties. It has long, glabrous leaves that are yellow-green above and blue-green below. Identifying characteristics of the pendulous sedge include its hanging, catkin-like spikes that are usually found in groups of 2 to 4. Shout out to the VCU Biology Department, Field Botany 2015, Dr. Diane Jennings, Miss Jill Reed, Habib, Colin for helping me out with the video, and go plants. Woo!